Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn a cute little pattern. Could be used for just about any project. And it's called a knotted half double crochet. I'm going to use two colors so that you can see the pattern. It'll stand out a little better. Also, how to carry your yarn when you're using only two colors, one row, so that you don't have a bunch of ends hanging off to have to work in. So I'm going to use Red Heart Super Saver yarn for this example in the colors of Erin and Frosty Green. So we're going to start with the slip knot. Oh, I'm using a 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. Start with a slip knot. You can chain as many as you like. Don't be real tight with the chain so that you can work your hook back through it. I'm going to start with 12. And our first row is just simply a single crochet. So we skip this first stitch there. In the second stitch from the chain, insert your hook, pull the yarn through, grab your yarn and pull it through both loops. You're going to do this all the way across to the end. Okay, so when we get to the end, we're going to add our second color so we don't complete the last stitch. I'm going to bring on our second color. Okay, and we're going to bring this yarn with us. Okay, so we chain one and turn our work. Okay, now we're going to do half doubles, and we're going to run this lighter color working yarn along underneath our stitch. So yarn over, go through the first stitch, yarn over, pull through all three. Yarn over, go through the first stitch, pull through all three. Yarn over, and pull through all three. So you're going to do that all the way to the end. Okay. So we don't complete that stitch because we're going to change back to the other color now. So bring this forward so that we can carry it and pull that through. Chain one and turn. Now when you do a half double crochet, that looks like it's your stitch, but it's not. The top two, that is, if you see where your color change is coming through, you want to make sure those are the two stitches that you're working with. Okay, so we're back to a single crochet. We're carrying our green with us. We're down to that last stitch. To make sure we get through both of them. Okay, so we're not going to complete that stitch because we're going to do our color change again. So we're going to bring this forward, pull up our green, and pull through to complete the stitch. Okay, chain one, turn our work, and now we're at a half double crochet. So it's yarn over, go through the first stitch, pull through all three, yarn over, and pull through all three. And we're carrying this with us. Now you don't want to pull this tight or it'll scrunch your work, but you just want it to nicely lay across there. So let's get to the end of this and do another row of our light color, and we'll take a look at how the pattern is going. Okay, one more row to see it. So we're at single crochet, carrying our green along with us. Making sure that we're picking up the back two loops, not the front one. Okay, so you see this row here? That's what is called the knotted half double crochet. Okay, and there's definite front side and a back side. That's the front. Here's the back. So it's pretty easy. I think it'd make a cute beanie hat. It would make a cute little baby blanket. You could even use it with cotton yarn for a dishcloth. Heck, maybe even a baby booty. Whatever you'd like. It's real simple. That's it. That's all I have for you today. I thank you for watching. Thank you for spending your time with me. And I hope that you will like this video. Maybe leave me a comment down below. All that kind of stuff helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. And we'll see you next time.